Today, I'm going to show you how to integrate Zoho with Squarespace step by step, so you can automatically move data between both platforms without doing everything manually. This is a great setup if you want to save time, reduce errors, and keep your leads, orders, or customer details flowing into Zoho CRM or Zoho Books automatically. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, log into your Zoho Flow account. Once you're inside the dashboard, create a new workflow. This is where you'll build the automation that connects Squarespace to Zoho. After you create the workflow, you need to choose the trigger app. In this case, select Squarespace as the trigger app. This tells Zoho Flow to watch Squarespace for a specific event that will start the automation. Next, choose the event that matches what you want to track. For example, you might select Order Created if you want new store orders to be sent into Zoho, or New Lead if you want form submissions to trigger the flow. Choose the event that fits your business process best. After that, you'll need to authenticate your Squarespace account. This step gives Zoho Flow permission to access the data from Squarespace so it can detect the event and pull in the right information. Follow the on-screen prompts, log into Squarespace, and approve the connection. Once your Squarespace account is connected, move over to the left panel and search for Zoho CRM. If you're using accounting instead of sales, you can also choose Zoho Books depending on your workflow. Now select Zoho CRM or Zoho Books as the action app. This is the platform where the data will be sent after the trigger happens. Then choose the action event you want to automate. For example, you could create a lead in Zoho CRM or create an invoice in Zoho Books. Pick the action that matches your goal. Now comes the important part, filling in the details. This is where you connect the fields from Squarespace to the fields in Zoho. Map the data carefully so the right information goes into the right place. For example, connect the customer name, email address, order details, phone number, or any other available fields into the corresponding Zoho fields. Take your time here, because good field mapping is what makes the automation work correctly. If a field is missing, you can usually select a custom value or choose from the data collected in the trigger step. Once everything is mapped, review the workflow one more time to make sure the trigger and action are both set up correctly. When you're happy with it, turn the flow on. This activates the automation, and from that point forward, Zoho Flow will automatically send the data from Squarespace into Zoho whenever the selected event happens, and that's it. You've now learned how to integrate Zoho with Squarespace using Zoho Flow. This setup can help you streamline lead management, sales, invoicing, and customer tracking with very little manual work. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who wants to automate their business workflows. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.